Here's an update on the incredible invisible deer fence. For the most part, everything has held up. It has kept out the deer again for the most part. However, there have been some breaches here. As you can see, some of the lines are broke either by the deer or something falling on it. So, however, yeah, you see these, these are daisies, and the deer are actually sticking their head through and munching on them. So what I'm going to do is expand the fence around this Japanese maple, around this big rock here, and come back around so hopefully get a bigger area. So I might have to do a little bit of spray, deer repellent spray, you know, just to keep them out for a little while, just so they are not very interested. Not sure if I'm going to get these roses in there. As you can see, I really need to do some weeding, but it's always some job to do around the home. So stay tuned, come back to you in a minute after I have this redone. All right, I'm back. It was a hot, humid job, but got it done. What I did was I switched around my gate system here, which used to run along this way. So I switched it around to give it more space in the enclosure, so hopefully protect the daisies that they had been eating down. Have this nice Japanese maple in here. They usually don't bother that, but wanted to protect that as well. So I made the enclosure a little bit bigger. So maybe I can put some flowers in here now. As you can see, it has been protecting some of the flowers in the area, because if these daylilies were not in this enclosure, they most definitely would have been eaten. So please be sure to check out my original video up in the corner here for how to put this incredible invisible deer fence together. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.